Hi, I'm Genesis. I'm 19. I'm from 100 to Red Course, and today I'm here to talk about Unit 2, Life's Obstacles. So, the purpose of this video is to answer the two questions that you have in your screen right now. So, let's start with the first one. I think that my biggest misconception about autism is that it was just one disease, when there are actually many different types of autistic spectrum disorder. Additionally, I thought that autistic people were unable to keep a normal conversation with someone, therefore, they were really bad in their social relationships due to they couldn't even express themselves correctly. Additionally, I speculated that autistic people were aggressive and react badly to approaches from other children. So, answering the second question, after overcoming my ignorance and reading about this disorder, I realized that most of the stereotypical ideas that I had about this disorder were false, but some of them were partially true in certain cases. For instance, according to Integrity in 2021, autism it's a wide range of neurodevelopmental disorders. There are five major types of autism, which include Asperger's syndrome, Rett's syndrome, childhood disintegrative disorder, Kenner's syndrome, and pervasive developmental disorder. So, as I said before, there are many different types of autistic spectrum disorder and they have different levels too. Now, according to social interactions, it is true that some autistic people decided to limit their social interactions due to socializing makes them feel anxious and confused. But they can obviously have social relationships. They can even fall in love and have a family. But it is also true that it's more difficult for them to develop their communicative skills, but of course, with a lot of practice, they can improve that. Now, alluding to aggressiveness, even though there have been stories relating autism to violence, it is unusual for autistic people to act violently or pose any danger to society. But it could happen. However, it is important to highlight that autistic and non autistic people are very likely to act violently if they are under stress or they feel emotionally unstable. I mean, it's not an exclusively characteristic of autistic people to act violently when they feel upset. So, to conclude, what I learned after reading a lot about this disorder is that most of the stereotypical ideas that I had about autism were false. So now, in the future, I will be able to identify which information is true and which information is false. And in that way, I will not continue spreading misinformation anymore about this disorder. That is all. Thank you very much.